What up, guys? El Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and we are filming from our new headquarters in Brooklyn. Okay, so we're excited. We're super excited to get this thing. We got 30 more days, I believe, to get everything going. So we're gonna show you guys the before and after, what it looks like. We're changing the game pretty much in the automotive industry. Check out my conference as well in December, so you guys can learn a little bit more about my passion about marketing. And this is gonna be the new location, guys. So this is the store that's gonna take us to the next level. We're gonna change everything for 2019. And you know, the challenges that we have, and we got this done only under 60 days. So it's gonna look beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. You guys are more than welcome to be invited to come to the grand opening. And it's gonna be exciting. We're super excited what's happening in Brooklyn right now. And you can do it too. So click the link below, come down to Brooklyn Mitsubishi. All right, check us out, the new location. This is the new headquarters. #1 store in the nation, guys. We're going for it. The bell stays in Brooklyn. Just remember that, okay? You got to take it from if you want it. All right? You can't be talk about it. Just be about it, all right? Let's go.